Watch him.
Oh, wow.
That's gonna be big.
He's looking, man. He's saying,
Watch him, Wesley. Watch him. Whoa.
Whole house shaking. Wow.
Unbelievable.
come on. There you go. Get right up to the peak.
Oh, this is awesome.
I've decided the lesser
Yeah. I never seen anything like this.
kind of fun.
Yes.
You're 6 months to build and 1 day to tear
I know
down.
it.
For something that would have to
Well, we bought a foreclosure last winter and we gutted it ourselves.
Oh, did ya?
Like, physically broke all the big bars.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Crowbars and big hammers, and my son had a really big one. I couldn't lift that one, so I had to have a smaller one to bust at it. It was just,
Yeah, I remember tearing out
I
a
couldn't
basement
believe
of mine, and me and my neighbor, he was tearing out his, and we decided to bring in Minneapolis. We got a trailer and drove it down. One day we brought 12,000 pounds of stuff that we carried, put in the trailers,
God.
and I mean it was a full day of just. But
I was in charge of loading the dumpsters, and we took 4 2-yard dumpsters out of this house.
oh wow.
So I was like, my son was laughing. He was like, I've never seen anybody stack one so methodically. I said, I'm trying to save money.
Dumpsters,
I
they get
hauled it all by
expensive, yeah.
myself. Then luckily, I knelt down on a nail, right into my knee joint, ended up in the hospital for 4 days of surgery, and I was off the team.
Oh well.
So that was a good thing.
I guess yeah. You look at the silver lining on that one.
Yep.
Ouch.
I'm sorry, I
Ouch.
can't help you now. Yeah, it was kind of brutal. A little bit traumatic to get out of work, but it worked.
I found my home was built in the last one that I was doing was 1928.
Oh wow.
And there was a whiskey bottle in the wall from 1924.
Really?
The date on it. Had some left, but I wasn't
Oh.
touching it. It was aged, but I wasn't gonna dry it out.
Now, was that your bathroom there? That's the bathroom there, right? With the plumbing coming out?
Yeah.
Oh, that's still the main stuff.
Yep, this main upstairs
No,
bathroom?
that's ours. Actually, Jamie.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. No, that's ours. Where you see the 2 meters?
And the pipes for 2 sinks?
Oh, yeah, because it's
Yep.
behind the other bathroom.
Yeah. I've done construction.
Yeah.
There it is. There's your medicine closet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wesley?
Too late to change your mind.